Hello everyone, welcome. So let us look at the Euro USD. We are going to start with the Euro. Okay, so we want to determine what's the position of the Euro, and then we'll look at the US dollar and then draw a conclusion. Now, if you look at the Euro, yesterday price reached a resistance level over here, right? So price reached a resistance level over here. Now today there's this bearish signal forming over here, so price is likely to drop. But now the question is, where does this bearish or other resistance level come from? If we look to the far left of the chart, you will see this is a level that was formed some time ago. It was on the 14th of August 2024, right? This was a resistance level. Now moving to the present day, price is now testing this level, and it's likely to respect this resistance level. Okay, so now we are going to compare the euro's position to that of the US dollar. Now if you check the US dollar on the daily time frame, the dollar has been bearish. Now this is the index. It's not necessarily the same as the DXY, but it's close enough. Okay, so the dollar has been bearish, and it seems like the dollar is still on the move down, but it's likely to find support, and we could possibly expect that the dollar will find support here around this level here actually. And then what we can expect is for the dollar to start moving up from this position, right? Now let's look at the weekly for any indications or anything like that. Now if you look at the weekly time frame, you can see price still has a bit more weight. There's still room for price to continue moving down, maybe close to this level here, right? And then maybe price will find support and start moving up. However, if you compare this to the euro has already reached a bullish, rather I mean a resistance level. So what's left is for us to actually check and compare what the currency pair of these two currencies looks like, and if there's any trading opportunities based on the information that we have right now. Okay, now if you check the currency behavior between the euro and the dollar, you will notice that between these two currency pairs or currency pair, there's no clear indication of price potentially reversing. We know that the euro is potentially bearish, but then again the dollar is also continuing its drop. So this is playing against the stagnant position of the euro. Because of the dollar is dropping, the euro USD position is moving up, as it is observed here on the daily time frame. All right, so what we want to do is maybe try and find a suitable candidate currency that we can actually pair up with the euro, which is potentially bearish. So we want the currency that's potentially bullish. Now this level here could have been a potential resistance level, but the euro USD has pushed past this level over here. So this is what I'm talking about. So the euro USD has pushed past this level, which is 10803, right? Now if you move to the right, you'll notice that there's a clear move to the upside, and this is based on the dollar continuing its drop. Okay, now I have already done some work behind the scenes, so I just want to show you the position of the Japanese yen compared to the euro, and we will see if there's any opportunities there. Okay, so I want us to look at the position of the Japanese yen. If you look at the Japanese yen, you will notice that the yen has found some form of support on this line here. Now this line here is on the Ichimoku Kinko Ohio indicator. So this is what's going to be, or this is called the Kijun, right? This is an equilibrium level for the past 26 periods. Anyways, price is respecting this level based on the daily time frame for the Japanese yen. So here we can see clearly that the yen is bullish, and remember we have also seen that the euro has run into a resistance level where it is potentially bearish. So now we have the euro, which is bearish, and the Japanese yen, which is bullish. So even if we didn't get the trading opportunity between the euro and the USD, now we have a potential trading opportunity between the euro and the Japanese yen. All right. Let me show you the position of the euro one last time, and then we'll look at the currency pair of the euro and the Japanese yen. Okay, so if you check on the euro here, I've actually included the second level. So the first level was here, right here on this shadow here, and then the second level for resistance will be over here, this shadow for this candlestick here, right? If you move to the right, we will see the position of the euro. So yes, yesterday the euro tested the first level, and today it has somewhat broken above, but you can see when we involve the second level here for resistance, price is operating within this zone here. It has pushed up, but it is now obviously pulling back. This is indicating that there's no additional momentum to the top side. All right, so now let's look at the euro Japanese yen candlestick or currency pair. Okay, so now we have the euro Japanese yen currency pair. Now the first thing I want you to appreciate is this level here, the highest level here, the most recent. Price pushed up, and today price has touched this level and it is now reversing, so indicating a potential move to the downside. Right now, if you consider this and compare it to the euro USD, you will see that on the euro Japanese yen we have a slightly better trading opportunity compared to the euro USD. All right, so this is my analysis for today. I will give an update later on in the evening, and then to try and maybe I'll try and identify if there's any trading opportunities outside of the euro USD as usual. All right, it's bye for now.